All the money will I still say Marcus I. Jah, Rastafari, blessed JAHJAH Foundation. And I say Ras Negus and we say break the barriers down, you know. Because we need to come together as one and form one unity. Black, white, Indian, everybody. One love. So I say, like what Marcus Garvey said, one God, one name, one destiny. And he go say, we gonna break them barriers down. We gonna trample them on the ground. Come on, let we break them barriers down. We must never be pushed around. So, cause we are tired of the robbing and the killing. We are tired of the guns and the bombing. The JAHJAH Foundation, the world you uniting. And we all got to keep on praying. This is a perilous life we're living. And we all need to know the meaning to break them barriers down. JAHJAH gonna trample them on the ground. Yeah. Bless JAHJAH Foundation, Ras Negus. What's below my nose? I'm out. Bless.